As soon as the new year came in, I decided it was time to clean up. And I've been planning to change my room. I had the opportunity because it was free. So, you're gonna do a mini room tour. And let's get on with the video. So, welcome to my room. Let's take a mini tour. This used to be green. The walls used to be green. That's my bed. It's an old bed. I've been using it since college. And this is an old table. I had it painted white so it would match everything. Under it is a basket where I keep all my stuff. And that's a little pump action. So just to have green inside the room. And this is my closet. Originally, it had doors. I had those removed because since I moved the bed to the middle, if I still have the doors, I won't have enough room to step back. So I had this changed to curtains. And here I tried my best to declutter, and this is what I have so far. Yeah. And this is the other side. All my jackets are inside. Uniforms, basically. Storage there. I still haven't put stuff back inside. These are my books. And this is the poster for the movie booking. And this is the certificate. It's the award from Cine Casimano. It says Best Production Design. This is the trophy. It's another award for Buding with Cine Negrense. It's the film festival in Negros. Yay, Makoy. Congratulations. There's more storage up there. These feathers are from my sister's wedding. They have a box full of those. Still, it's my printer. And below that, you can see there is still a tub of charcoal. That's to try to remove the smell. The paint. The smell of the paint is really strong. You have to see how my room looks like before all the changes. It's big difference. And these are photos that I printed out. I bought cheap frames and had my photos that I took printed out. I changed them to black and white. Had those printed and then framed and hand them. Cheap. That's basically it. That's my room. And I also for a side lamp, I did this DIY. I know this is really common, but this turned out really good. It's an old bottle. I stuffed it with fairy lights I bought from Porsche's store. Yeah, it's really cheap, less than 100. These are battery operated, so I don't burn the house. This turned out really good and useful. That's it. It's my room.